Hey, welcome everybody to the Faithful Studio on this Faithful Monday, and today kicks off a new week, and what we're going to do is introduce you to a company. We're going to give them a chance all week long to be up in this beard, and then on the Friday, I'm going to come back, I'm going to review it, do a video, and show you all about what I think about it. And the company this week is Second Chance Beard Company. So we're going to give them the first chance in my beard, and then I'm going to let you know on Friday what I think, and we're going to get into it right after this. Alright, so if you are new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We do tips, tricks, and all of the above for your beard. We review products, and we try to uncover companies that maybe aren't well known and introduce them to you, and I give you my opinions on what I think. And today I have a package from Second Chance Beard Company, and we're just going to grab the knife, and we're going to get right into this. So here we go. We're going to rip this little guy open here, see what might be inside this package. The first thing we have here, look at this. You got a nice little sticker, round sticker here. So that's the first thing we have. The second thing we have is a business card here. Check that out. Aubrey Chores. This is just going to be a piece of paper. Ba-da-da-da-da. On the ground. I don't know a whole lot about Second Chance Beard Company yet, but we're going to find out this week. And we're going to get into it. See what scents they sent me here. Aubrey Chores. Alright, so let's dig in and see what we all have here. So the first thing we have this right here. So check that out. You got a white label. You got a pretty cool logo here, and it shows their logo, and this is Twisted Forest. And what you have is jojoba oil, sweet almond oil, grapeseed oil mixed with essential oils. So here we go, and this is going to be Twisted Forest. My guess is it's going to be wood, piney, something like that. What does that remind me of? That reminds me of something from, like, maybe my childhood. Maybe, let's just give it another snifferoo, shall we? This just reminds me of something super clean, but pine, wood. Man, I don't really know. I can't nail that one down. I kind of like it. I'm not a big wood fan, and I kind of like that. Let's see what else they sent me here. We got another one. Some Aubrey Chores there. And this one is called Dragon Slayer. So check that out. Dragon Slayer. You got the red print on there. Same white label. Same carrier blend. So let's see what the Dragon Slayer smells like. We'll get the sniffer ready. Gave it a shakeroo. Now we're gonna get in here. Ooh, that one I get, like, you know, at Christmas time when you grab those cinnamon candies or hot tamales maybe, and you smell them. It smells like a hot tamale. This smells just like a hot tamale to me. This has got to have cinnamon in it. Oh, this is gonna be awesome. This is gonna be awesome. I'm gonna test this out in the beer because you know I like cinnamon. And it smells like a hot tamale. Who doesn't like hot tamales? Like people that don't like hot tamales. Maybe they like the fruity ones? What are the fruity ones? Fruity tamales? Fruity mollies? What are those fruit ones called? The fruit ones. I don't know what they're called. Alright, next one up is Fresh Squeeze. Probably gonna get a fresh squeeze here. Fresh squeeze. It's gotta be citrus, right? It has to be citrus. Now this one smells like a lemon drop. They got the candy theme going on here. This smells like, to me this smells like a lemon drop. So I guess we got the fresh squeeze, we got the citrus scent. Let's see how long that lasts with the citrus with the essential oils. I'm going to keep track of that all week long. Alright, and the last one is called Confidence. Confidence. So Confidence, I'm going to guess this is a cologne scent. Because you put it on, you feel confident. I don't know. It's got to be cologne, right? Okay, not cologne. I feel like it's a frankincense-y scent. It doesn't say what's in here. No, I don't see it, but it's a rugged, outdoorsy, yet sweet blend. It's kind of got frankincense in it to me. That's what I seem like, what I feel like anyway. And then we have a balm. So you have a 1 ounce tin here. You got their label on it: shea butter, coconut oil, beeswax, jojoba oil, sweet almond oil, unscented blend. And I like that because then I can use their oil, but I can use this as a balm just to hold in place if I need to. I'll try it out. I don't know. No scent. I get a little bit of shea butter, the natural scent with it, but nothing bad at all. So that's what I have from Second Chance Beer Company. We're going to try it out all week long. I'm going to come back to you guys on Friday with the review. So make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit that thumbs up, give this a share. We're growing this community, and I'm bringing you new companies. If you like it, perfect. Thank you so much. So until I talk to you guys again soon, hit me up on Instagram if you'd like. And God bless you all.